Hi, today I'll be doing an in-depth review of Blooket, a gamified learning platform that's taking classrooms, tutoring sessions, and even casual learning by storm. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or just someone curious about interactive learning tools, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to know about Blooket, including its features, pricing, pros and cons, and a few alternatives in case it's not the right fit for you. Stick around, I've got some awesome insights coming your way. Let's start with an overview. So what is Blooket? Blooket is an innovative game-based learning platform designed to make education engaging and fun for students of all ages. Unlike traditional methods of teaching, Blooket combines quizzes and competitive gameplay to create a dynamic learning experience. Here's how it works. Teachers or hosts create sets of questions or select from the platform's extensive question bank. These questions are then integrated into interactive games. Students participate by joining via a code on their devices. The games are fast-paced, competitive, and designed to reinforce learning in an entertaining way. Think of it as a cross between Kahoot and a mobile game, but with more variety in game formats. Blooket's versatility is its standout feature. It can be used for subject-based quizzes, test preparations, or even as an icebreaker in classrooms. From math to history, science, and language arts, the platform covers a wide range of subjects. Plus, the colorful and visually appealing blooks, which are cute animated avatars, make the experience even more engaging for students. The best part? It's entirely browser-based. There's no need for students to download an app, making it super easy to join a game and start playing. Now let us talk about the main features of Blooket. Diverse game modes. One of Blooket's biggest draws is its variety of game modes. Whether it's the tower defense game, gold quest, or the classic quiz mode, there's something for everyone. These game modes can be tailored to fit different subjects and objectives, ensuring that learning never feels monotonous. Customizable question sets. Teachers can create custom question sets tailored to their curriculum. You can also import questions from Quizlet or choose from the library of pre-made sets shared by other educators. Student engagement analytics. After each game session, Blooket provides detailed performance reports. Teachers can use these analytics to track students' progress, identify strengths and weaknesses, and refine their teaching strategies. Team and individual play. Blooket supports both individual and team-based gameplay. This flexibility is perfect for classrooms, group studies, or even family learning sessions. Integrations and simplicity. It integrates seamlessly with existing tools like Google Classroom, making it easy to share links and track participation. Plus, the platform is intuitive and requires minimal setup time. Now let us talk about the pricing of Blooket. Blooket offers both free and paid plans, which is great for flexibility. The free plan is a starter plan. It has basic access to game modes, limited customization features, and is suitable for small-scale or occasional use. The Plus plan is currently priced at $4.99 per month, and when charged yearly, it is $59.88. It has access to enhanced game modes and customization options, priority access to new features and updates, and is useful for educators who want a more tailored and premium experience. A Plus Flex plan, which is a pay-as-you-go option, and it is $9.99 per month. It is ideal for users who need premium features temporarily, like for a specific project or term. Blooket's pricing is quite competitive compared to other gamified learning platforms, and the free version offers enough functionality for most users. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Blooket. First, we talk about the pros. Engaging for students. The gamified approach makes learning enjoyable and memorable. Wide range of topics. Suitable for virtually any subject or grade level. User-friendly. Simple interface and no downloads required. Customizable. You can create your own question sets or use pre-made ones. Analytics. It is great for tracking progress and identifying areas for improvement. How about the cons of using this platform? Limited free features. Some features are locked behind the paid plans. Game dependency. Students may focus more on the gameplay than the learning content. Internet connection required. Since it's browser-based, a stable internet connection is necessary. Potential for overuse. Too much gamification can lead to fatigue. So here's the big question. Is Blooket worth it? Absolutely, especially if you're looking for a fresh and interactive way to teach or learn. Its game-based structure encourages participation and retention, making it a fantastic tool for both formal and informal learning environments. While it does have some limitations, the free plan alone offers enough value to make it worth trying out. And if you're an educator looking to elevate your lessons, the Affordable Plus plan is definitely worth considering. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Kahoot, Quizzes, or GameKit. That's a wrap on today's review of Blooket. I hope this video gave you valuable insights into Blooket and helped you decide if it's the right platform for your needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.